Episode 6 of Dynamite Kiss picks up with Hyang suddenly kissing Sienu after confessing her feelings for him. She promises to win him over even though she is aware that he has feelings for Darim. In the meantime, Ji-hyuk safely prevents Darim from seeing the two kissing. They take a walk, and he subtly reminds her of the advice he gave her about love in Jeju. Sadly, Darim doesn't understand that he is referring to her fake marriage. A short while later, Sienu calls Darim, and they rejoin the group. That night, Ji-hyuk is unable to sleep, worrying about how Sienu's affair with Hyang will affect Darim. Meanwhile, Sienu offers to sleep on the floor when Darim mentions she is suffering from stress-induced gastritis. He asks how she views him as a man, and Darim assumes he is interested in another woman. Frustrated, Sienu is unable to sleep, too. The following day at work, Ji-hyuk keeps an eye on Darim, conflicted over whether to tell her about Sienu's affair. He unintentionally invites himself to have lunch with her and the rest of the Mother TF team. At lunch, Jinny mentions she is conflicted after learning one of her friend's husbands is having an affair. Ji-hyuk inserts himself in the conversation, sharing how precarious the situation can be. Nansuk advises Jinny not to reveal the affair to her friend. At the hospital, Inai takes a walk and runs into Myung-soon. Upon seeing Inai's wrist cuts, Myung-soon misspeaks in an effort to comfort Inai. She quickly apologizes, but the damage is done. Later that night, Darim brings home a test baby lotion for Sienu and Kim Jun. She realizes that parents also inadvertently end up using similar products with their kids. Sienu offers to try it out and is flustered when Darim sniffs his hand. In the meantime, Hyang's parents change their mind about her working with Sienu after hearing it was Ji-hyuk's idea. Elsewhere, Sienu gets ready to drop by Darim's office to discuss the photos for the project. He decides to doll himself up and runs into Hyang at the office elevator. Ji-hyuk's imagination gets the better of him when he sees the two arrive together. He starts picturing them having a steamy moment in the elevator. His realization that Sienu is also dressed up and has changed his scent makes him more worried. His anxiety worsens when he notices Hyang trying to play footsie with Sienu during the group meeting. He gets distracted as he tries to shield Darim from seeing what is going on. Things get even worse when Hyang corners Sienu into doing another photoshoot with her, and they end up leaving together. Meanwhile, due to the stress of playing a married couple, Darim's stomach upset gets worse. Ji-hyuk gets her abalone porridge under the pretense that he is allergic, and the restaurant messed up his beef order. He also gets the whole team ginger tea after lunch because it is known to help with stomach issues. Later, he confronts Hyang and accuses her of being a homewrecker. He offers to marry her as long as she stops destroying Darim's marriage. When Hyang asks why he cares so much about Darim, he lies that he is concerned as her boss. Hyang is frustrated, as she can't tell him the truth about Darim's fake marriage to Sienu. Ahead of the competitive pitch, Darim gives Ji-hyuk the clover leaf he threw away. She had it laminated and returned it to him as a lucky charm. She wishes him well on his mission to honor his mom's legacy. Ji-hyuk is touched and adds a little nod to the clover in his presentation. In the end, the Mother TF team's presentation wins thanks to its unique emotional pull. To celebrate the win, Ji-hyuk takes the whole team for dinner. Darim notices how considerate Ji-hyuk acts towards her. As they talk, Jinny reveals that her friend's husband came clean about the affair and asked for a divorce. Most of them agree that the wife shouldn't agree to the divorce. However, Darim points out that without love, there is no point in staying together. She claims she would divorce her husband if he fell out of love with her. Unfortunately, she gets drunk and ends up alone with Ji-hyuk after the others leave. In her drunken state, she confesses that she knows he is being considerate towards her. She believes he is doing it out of concern as her boss and is unworthy of his kindness, no longer wanting to burden him. She asks him to stop since his kindness is swaying her heart. She ends up falling asleep on his shoulders. Meanwhile, Seonyu tries to hurriedly finish his photo shoot session with Hyang. He texts Darim, offering to pick her up, but she rejects his offer. The next morning, she wakes up with no memories of how she got home. She assumes that she took a taxi and tells Seonyu as much when he asks. It is only when she gets to work, and her colleagues start recalling the previous night, that some of the memories start trickling in. Throughout the day, a few words continue to trigger her memories. Suddenly, at a meeting, she recalls trying to kiss Ji-hyuk the previous night. The memory shocks her, and she excuses herself. On her way out, she runs into Ji-hyuk. Flustered, she asks him how she got home, lying that she blacked out and remembers nothing. To spare her from embarrassment, Ji-hyuk lies that he also doesn't remember what happened. Darim is relieved and wants him to cut down on his alcohol. The irony. On the other hand, Chungu shows Ji-hae a photo of Darim leaning on Ji-hyuk's shoulder outside the bar. He suggests they use it to imply that Ji-hyuk is having an affair with a married subordinate and create a scandal that will see him ousted from the company. Convinced, Ji-hae asks Chungu to get concrete evidence before they move to the next phase of their plans. In the evening, Darim pulls a late night to work on the press release for their project. Ji-hyuk offers to help her and goes to fetch a few samples of past newsletters. Upon returning, he finds her hunched over in pain, pale as can be. Darim refuses to burden him by letting him take her to the hospital. He reminds her that he owns her thanks to their contract. He rushes her to the hospital for treatment. At the hospital, the doctor assures Ji-hyuk that Darim's condition was caused by stress, and she will be fine after treatment and rest. With Darim passed out, she misses numerous calls from Seonyu. Ji-hyuk intentionally switches off her phone. In that moment, he decides that he wants to be the only one to protect and be there for her.